Jangan lupa subscribe ya. Hati-hati.
Hello smart people, welcome back to this channel again. Today I'd like to share you 10 words to speak English quicker. Basically, it is a slang word. It's okay to you to pronounce it with your friend, but you are not allowed to use this or to write this word in formal document. Okay, go on to the first slang. First slang is gonna. Gonna means going plus do. The example sentence is, I'm gonna watch TV. You're gonna like this video. I think it's gonna rain. It is necessary to use be. Like I'm gonna, you're gonna, and he's gonna. Go on to the second slang. Second one is wanna. Wanna is one plus two. And the example sentence is, I wanna hold your hand. 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 I don't wanna be late because today is my final examination. What do you wanna do? I'm hungry right now, so I wanna eat. Be careful, it is only slang. Grammatically is correct, wants to. However, if you use a slang, you just need to say, or you can use wanna, I wanna, he wanna. Go on to the third slang. The third one is goda. Goda means got plus to. The example sentence is, I gotta go. Could you come here please? I gotta tell you something. The fourth one is kinda. Kinda is kinds plus of. The example sentence is, I kinda like it. I think he's kinda funny. The next one is Outta. Outta is out plus of. The example sentence is, I'm Outta here. We're out of time. The next one is gimme. Gimme is give plus me. The example sentence is, hey man, give me my money back. I need my money. Give me the opportunity. Give me a change. The next one is lemme. Lemme is let plus me. The example sentence is, let me tell you something. Let me go. The next slang is whatcha. Whatcha is what are you? And the example sentence is, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Yeah, what you gonna do? The next slang is Donna. Donna is don't plus no. And the example sentence is, I don't know who you are, but I really want to meet you, my lovely subscriber. Thank you for subscribing my video. And the last one is ain't. And the example sentence is, oh, I ain't gonna do it. Please give me the order. He ain't listening me. You ain't my man. Cause I have my man here. I ain't done my homework. I ain't never been there. Thank you for watching the 10th word or 10th slang that can make your speaking English quicker. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to share my video to your Facebook, to your Twitter, every social media that you have. And of course, subscribe this video. Turn on the notification and you will get my newest video. Thank you for watching. Bye.